Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 42. So ready? Start. The appellant and the respondent are plaintiff and defendant number 1, 2 and 3 respectively in the suit presented in the court of subordinate judge Varanasi. The plaintiff in the suit claimed for the relief of directing the defendant to execute a fresh sale deed with regard to the suit property in pursuance of an agreement for sale dated 27/2/2006 on or before the date that may be fixed by the court, and failing which execution of the sale deed by the court. She also prayed for grant of permanent injunction restraining the defendant from disturbing with her peaceful possession and enjoyment of the suit property. According to the plaintiff, first and second defendant jointly entered into an oral agreement on 27/2/2006 to sell the suit property for a consideration of rupees 1,83,000. It was agreed that the sale deed in pursuance of the oral agreement for sale would be executed and registered on the same day. The plaintiff purchased the stamp paper and paid the entire sale consideration of the defendant. Thereafter, the defendant put the plaintiff in possession of the suit property and also executed a sale deed in her favor. On 27/2/2006, the said sale deed was taken to sub-registrar office. The sub-registrar, however, informed that in view of an order of attachment of the suit property, the sale deed could not be registered. The plaintiff averred that she called upon the defendant to get the sale deed registered, but the defendant avoided the same by putting forth the reason that attachment in respect of the suit property was subsisting. Mr. D.R. Sharma, learned counsel for the respondent, however, strenuously urged that 1981 Act is a complete code by itself and is special law, and therefore any dispute regarding the registration, including the refusal to the register by any party, is covered by the provision of that act, and the remedy can be worked out under it only. He referred to section 71 to 77 of the act and submitted the refusal to register a document by a party is exhaustively dealt by with the said provision, and the provision of the Specific Relief Act 1963 cannot be and should not be invoked in a case of failure to register a document which is complete in other respect except for want of registration. Learned counsel for the respondent submitted that the defendant refused to admit execution of the said document before the concerned sub-registrar because of the fraud played by the appellant in as much as instead of writing an agreement to sell, she got executed a full-fledged sale deed contrary to the agreement, and understanding the defendant accordingly walked out of the office of the sub-registrar without admitting the execution of the sale deed, and under these circumstances the only remedy available to the appellant was to get an endorsement and then file an application before the registrar. Thank you.